Buying your first home? Congratulations. It's a huge milestone, but let's be honest, the process can be overwhelming. Between financing, finding the right house, and navigating negotiations, it's easy to make mistakes that could cost you time, money, and peace of mind. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make and how you can avoid them. Stick around to save yourself from unnecessary stress and walk confidently into your first home. And hey, if you're enjoying helpful real estate tips like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content just like this. Mistake number 1, not knowing your budget. Many first-time buyers fall in love with homes that are way beyond their financial comfort zone. And trust me, that heartbreak, it's avoidable. The solution? Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Not only will this give you a clear understanding of your price range, but sellers will also take your offer more seriously. Win-win. Pro tip: don't forget to factor in extra costs like property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and HOA fees. A good rule of thumb: keep your total housing expenses under 30% of your monthly income. Mistake number 2, skipping the home inspection. I get it. In a competitive market, waiving the inspection might seem like a good idea to make your offer more appealing. But let's be real, that's a gamble you might regret. A professional inspection can uncover hidden issues like structural problems, water damage, or faulty wiring. Without it, you're buying blindly, and no one wants a money pit. Even if the home looks perfect, inspections are a must. Negotiate repairs or a price reduction if necessary. And if major issues pop up, don't be afraid to walk away. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 3, not considering all expenses. Okay, so you've got the mortgage pre-approval and a clean inspection, but are you ready for the ongoing costs of homeownership? Spoiler alert, it's not just your mortgage payment. New homeowners often forget to budget for utilities, lawn care, repairs and maintenance, homeowners insurance, and even emergency expenses. Pro tip: create a separate savings fund for home repairs. Aim for 1 to 3% of your home's value per year. That way, when the unexpected happens, and it will, you won't panic. Mistake number 4, letting emotions take over. It's easy to fall head over heels for a house, especially if it has that dreamy kitchen or a perfect backyard. But letting emotions drive your decisions can lead to buyer's remorse. Stay objective. Make a needs versus wants list and stick to it. Yes, that built-in wine fridge is amazing, but if the roof needs replacing or the plumbing's outdated, those are red flags. Pro tip: bring a trusted friend, family member, or agent with you for a second opinion. They'll help you see past the emotional pull and focus on the facts. And finally, the most underrated mistake: not hiring a real estate agent. Some buyers think they can save money by going solo, but an experienced agent is worth their weight in gold. A good agent knows the market, understands contracts, and can negotiate on your behalf. Plus, they'll spot potential issues you might miss. And here's the best part: as a buyer, you typically don't pay the agent's commission. That's usually covered by the seller. Pro tip: choose an agent who understands your needs and knows the local market like the back of their hand. Trust me, they'll make your home buying journey so much smoother. And there you have it, the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make and how to avoid them. From setting a realistic budget to working with the right professionals, these tips will help you navigate the process like a pro. Are you thinking about buying your first home? Or maybe you've already started your journey? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more real estate tips and advice.